Hey there, what is up guys? Welcome to another video on Mortal Kombat 9. I'm gonna be teaching you 3 combos for Kenshi, and all of them do, well, 2 of them do up to like 30% damage, I think. And then the second one is a wall combo, but it involves the X-ray, which shoots up to 44% damage, I think. Okay, for this combo, you want to start off with Y in the air, looks like this. And you want to go into XXB, looks like that. Then you instantly want to do down back X, which looks like that. So far this is what the combo will look like. Okay, and right after that you want to do back forward Y, which should look like that. And this is the whole combo. Okay, that's 25%, 6 hits. But if you want to make it shoot up to 31%, you can enhance this and that. So down back X, RT at the same time, and then back forward Y, RT at the same time. Okay, and this is the full combo. Okay, 8 hits, 31% damage. Okay, okay, the second combo is forward plus Y, looks like that, and then you want to do another Y, and then back plus X, which is, this is like the whole thing. Okay, and right after that, you want to do down back X. Wait, hold on. No, not like that. Okay. So, like, make sure you start off with Y on this. So yeah, just do that, and then down back X. And basically, it's kind of like the other combo, but without XXB. So, here's a full combo. Hold on, I'm trying to get this right. There we go. 33% damage. And I think that was 8 hits, I don't know. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the wall combo. This one, I think, yeah, it's kind of like the last combo that I just showed you with that. Okay, so you want to start off and do that. And you want to do that, of course. And you want to do XXB and then RT and LT. Okay, and here's the full combo. Not like that. No, do not enhance. Okay. Let me get this right. Okay, let me just take down his life. Okay. Nah. Okay. I was sure I had that. There we go. Okay. I know. You gotta have some patience here. Okay. I messed it up, but you're supposed to click on XXB. Okay, 43% damage, but if you add in that little kick, then that ends up being 44. But if I cannot hit it this next time, then we'll go ahead and move on to the second character that I'm going to teach you. Okay. Okay, good. Whew. Okay, boom. Oh, whoa, 46% damage. Okay. 11 hits, 46% damage. I was expecting that to go up to 44, but okay. Now it's time to move on to Rain. Okay, guys, I forgot that you could do this to where you can see the buttons, but okay. Um, so let's go ahead and get right down to business. First combo that I'm gonna teach you does 42% damage, 1 meter. Okay, the first thing you want to do is fly in the air, and you want to do BA, and you want to do down back Y. But you want to enhance that, which should look like this. Okay, and so far this is what the combo should look like. No, not like that. And that little next BA is in the next combo. And right after that, you want to do down back B. Right after this, and not like that. It will kind of look like that. And then right after, when he's flying back, if you time it just right, you can do XX back forward X. Looks like that. And if you want to, you can enhance that and do more damage. So here's the full combo. Ooh, I messed it up. No. Ah. Patience, people, patience. Did that again? I almost had that. Okay. Missed that. Okay, here's a tip. When you do that, kind of move closer and then do the kicks. Make sure that he's right above Rain's head, your opponent. You gotta time it just right for this combo. And once we have the timing down itself, there should be like no problem for a combo. Like no problem when you do this combo. There we go. Finally. Okay, 42% damage right there. Don't even try and make me use that enhancement. Okay, second combo. Okay, guys, here's the second combo. I'm gonna start off with Y in the air like always. Then you want to head into AA, and then down back Y. I like that. There we go. And YB, and then down back B. So all that should look like this. Okay, right after that, when he flies back, you want to do XX down back A, which should look like that. Okay, so not like that. So that's what it should all look like. So here's the full combo. Are you? There we go. Wow, the one moment that I had it and I messed up that last little. Okay. Okay. Okay, I gotta. After this combo, I gotta finish this up. No, not like that. No. Okay. I have a feeling that I might get it this time. Never mind. How about this time? Oh, never mind. That doesn't even hit. Okay, if you want to, you, you can do whatever you want with that ending. You can end it like that again if you want to. And also, for those of you that are wondering how water like that hurts someone, he's probably like boiling at hot temperatures. Because I didn't understand that at first. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys in future episode. Peace.